If you want to correct sentence formation on Grammarly quickly and make your writing sound clearer, smoother, and more professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Grammarly to improve sentence structure step by step. Whether you're working in a browser, in a document, or inside a text field with the Grammarly extension active. This is a simple skill, but it can make a huge difference in the quality of your writing. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document online or click inside any text field where the Grammarly desktop app or browser extension is active. Grammarly works best when it can actively scan your writing in real time, so make sure you're typing in a supported field. Once Grammarly is active, it will start detecting issues automatically and marking places where your writing could be improved. Now look for text underlined in blue or red. Blue underlines usually point to clarity issues, sentence structure, or style improvements, while red underlines often indicate grammar or mechanics problems. These visual cues are Grammarly's way of showing you exactly where a sentence may need to be fixed. So instead of guessing what sounds wrong, you can focus directly on the part of the sentence that needs attention. Next, hover your mouse over the underlined text. When you do this, Grammarly will preview the suggested sentence restructuring. This is really helpful because you can see the improvement before actually applying it. In many cases, Grammarly will offer a cleaner version of the sentence that reads more naturally, sounds more polished, and removes awkward phrasing. Take a moment to read the suggestion carefully so you can decide whether it matches your meaning. If you want a deeper look at the recommendations, click the green G icon in the bottom right corner. This opens the full review suggestions panel, which gives you an in-depth view of Grammarly's rewrites and corrections. This panel is useful when you want to review multiple suggestions at once instead of checking them one by one inside the text itself. It can help you move through your document faster while still keeping control over the final wording. Inside the suggestion card, you'll usually see options to accept or dismiss. If the suggested sentence formation looks better and still keeps your original meaning, click Accept to instantly apply the correction. Grammarly will update the sentence for you right away, saving you the time of rewriting it manually. If you feel the original phrasing works better or the suggestion changes your tone too much, click Dismiss to keep your current version. That way you stay in full control of your writing. A helpful tip is to read the sentence out loud before and after accepting a suggestion. This makes it easier to hear whether the new version flows better and whether the structure feels more natural. Grammarly is great for improving sentence formation, but your own judgment still matters too. The best results come from combining Grammarly's suggestions with your own understanding of what you want to say. You can repeat this process throughout your document until all the important sentences are cleaned up. Just move from one highlighted issue to the next, review the rewrite suggestions, and accept the ones that improve clarity and sentence flow. Over time, this can help you write with more confidence and reduce common grammar and structure mistakes. So to quickly recap, open your document or text field, look for blue or red underlines, hover to preview the rewrite, open the green G panel for more detailed suggestions, and then accept or dismiss each sentence formation correction as needed. That's the easiest way to correct sentence formation on Grammarly without overcomplicating the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.